Here, oh, this could be a. Is it a Dodge? Yeah, it's a Dodge. Super B. It's a nice six-pack. Beautiful car. One of the large fintails, 220 SE. So here Mercedes-Benz Unimog, Humvee, or AMC General Humvee. This is most likely a village Jeep. So it's looking like this one's from Great Britain, United Kingdom. I was first thinking it's a Land Rover, but it's built in license Rover Minerva TT. Sounds kind of Italian to me, Minerva. Left-hand drive. Another village. US Army. Here as well. But this is most likely the successor of it. It's a beautiful piece, G-Wagon, short wheelbase, 280 GE, loving them. Also one of the coolest front ends of the Mercedes-Benz Unimog is this one, absolutely loving this one. So what is this? DKW Auto Union Munga. With the two-stroke engine. So cool. So you can also see Auto Union. Oh, and here Volkswagen Type 181, the Thing, which has been the actual successor for the Army, successor of the Munga. Oh, what's this? The wild thing. And here, Toyota Land Cruiser with a big greeting to four-wheel drive. Robert, I hope you're seeing this, and I'm pretty sure you're loving this. So trying it to film it this way. Pretty cool. And here another farming tractor, Brilliant, from Hanomag. Beautiful Alfa Romeo Spider. Beautiful. And here farming tractor from Deutz. Also pretty cool. Also a beautiful Porsche 911. But now I'm here at Ali's Grill House, and yeah, so I'm going to get my lunch now. And you know, I can be two people at once. Oh, the red pig is also there, and amazing. Anyway, here my food for today. Fast food, Turkish fast food. There's a dinner kebab. And here, these are my drinks. The right one shall be spicy. Well, let's find out if it's good. So well, I've just finished my food, or my lunch to be more precise. It wasn't as good as last time when I was there. There was another person who was doing it and was saying, I want it spicy, hot. And yeah, he forgot to add any spice. So I've got something like as the doner kebab for children. Anyway, the drink here was really spicy. At least one thing that was spicy. Not as spicy as I am. But well, I'm also going to show you now the rest, because there's still much more that I can show you. So, well, I need more hands to be to be honest. More hands are always nice. Anyway, so I wanted to go to where the palace is. There are also usually some cars around. I'm not looking like that this time, but maybe. And well, of course, also the motorbikes, which will be just the next thing. Honda 504. Beautiful. Hoppala. Harley Davidson. Kreidler. There's an old Vespa. With a sidecar. Piaggio Vespa PX200. Some Simpson swallows, or Schwalbe as we're saying here in German. Well, also take a photo, of course. Always forgetting it. Simpson. It's also from the German Democratic Republic. Here's some more bikes. Ducati. BMW. This one is of course older. Kreidler Florette. Oh, there's another Florette. Ooh, even older. So this kind of Kreidler Florette was very typical in my youth. So what is this? Is it a Honda? This is looking like this could be from the World War II times, from Nazi Germany. Standard. No idea. Also beautiful Kreidler Florette. A Horex. Kreidler. Motocross. Mustang 80. Oh, amazing stuff. NSU. Another NSU. NSU was also pretty popular about bikes, motorbikes. I mean, bikes of course as well. Hercules. DKW bike. Motorbike, of course. You mean you're seeing the little little engine. It's tuned up. So another DKW. So is here Auto Union. There's a BMW. It's an MZ from German Democratic Republic. A friend of mine also had one of these. Not exactly this one, but also an MZ. Another Schwalbe or Swallow in the German Democratic Republic. Simpson was also the one who produced these here, the Schwalbe. Kawasaki, what cool stuff. Simpson, another Simpson. BMW, beautiful. Here are also still some bikes. Nimbus. Some people are leaving with their bikes, motorbikes. Oh, that's Idler. Oh, Zünder. Beautiful.